Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply increase your FPS in Among Us. So there are multiple things that you can do. First, go to settings and click on graphics and change the resolution to like lower and click apply. Now the second thing is that you can like disable or enable VSync, just test it out if it works or no. And the next thing what I recommend is when you're gonna go to Task Manager, I recommend like disabling like, I don't know, Google Chrome, Photoshop, and Discord, like programs that you have on, just you need to disable them. So that's the thing that you need to do, and I recommend doing. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Yep. Like the things which are really using a lot of your data. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.